Hey, don't scroll. Paano kung ang sasabihin ko ay makakatulong din sa'yo at makapagpabago ng buhay mo? Alam ko, napapagod ka na rin sa 9 to 5 na trabaho para lang makaraos sa araw-araw. Papasok ng 5 to 7 days at mag-enjoy ng 1 o 2 araw. Kung minsan pa, wala nang pahinga. Nilaan ang buong buhay sa hirap at pagod para lang sa tama. Kadalasan kulang at may utang ka pang kailangang bayaran, pero empty-handed ka na. Napakaiksi ng buhay para sa tama lang, kung kulang lagi. Paano kung may mangyari sa isa sa inyong mag-asawa? Nagtatrabaho tayo. Lumalabas tayo araw-araw. Along the way, hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari sa atin habang nagtatrabaho tayo sa labas. We don't hope for that, pero hindi natin hawak ang mga pangyayari. Paano kung nakahiga tayo? May sapat ba tayong ipon para matustusan ang pangangailangan ng pamilya natin? May napakagandang oportunidad online para sa mga katulad natin na hard work. We just need to take action. Lots of people are thriving into digital marketing now. Let's face it, the world is driven and controlled by digital technology nowadays. Sooner or later, everything will be made and done digitally. So before we get there, learn how to earn from digital home-based business on the go. Katulad ko na nangangarap lang ko. Akala ko magre-retire na lang ako sa almost 7 days a week ko na trabaho. Dragging myself to get home almost every editor day. Tired and exhausted. 6 years ago, ang dami kong napapanood ng mga ads katulad nito from different social media platforms. I wanted to get into digital marketing back then. But as skeptical as I was, and so is my husband, I didn't do it. Sa hindi inaasahan, pandemic hit. Me and my husband didn't work for 2 years. That has a huge negative impact on our financial standing. Doon namin na-realize na nagiging kampante kami sa kung ano ang mayroon kami noon. A wake-up call when I damaged my knee. Hindi na naman ako nakapagtrabaho for quite some time. It was then that I came to realize that I was putting my health into work and that I was working harder, not smarter. To make the long story short, when I saw another ad from social media like this, I watched the free webinar. Without my husband's consent, I jumped into this online business without knowing what I was getting into. And I was blown away by how ordinary people like me and you got a tremendous achievements from this business. Thank God for giving me the courage to get out of my comfort zone and guiding me in this journey. Now, the picture is getting clearer for me. The ladder of success is getting shorter. Unti-unting nararating ang mga pangarap na akala ko noon, imposibleng marating. So kung kayo ang may mga pangarap na gustong abutin, hindi imposible sa business na ito. Just don't be scared. Halos lahat kami dito dyan ang galing sa takot at pag-aalinlangan. Wala tayong mararating dyan. Global economic downfall is raging, and it's not gonna get better. It will only get better for those who give a good fight. Venturing into online businesses is one way of conquering that global economic downfall. Don't dwell on day 0. Get to day 1 and start. Conquer your fears. Connect with me at www.sgwitzel.com. Learn how to get into digital work and start your own digital business. Okay, Grace Witzel here, originally from Philippines, coming to you from Ontario, Canada.